Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day for Tesla. Unfortunately, didn't follow the rest of the market, where the market, was crazy, but never really recovered like the market did this afternoon. And, overall, especially tech stocks, gapped up. And then, Apple, for example, very nice day, just kept on grinding and didn't really happen here. But what did happen, and now don't get me wrong, there's still a whole lot more work that needs to be done. But at least Tesla, with the pullback, still did put in that higher low. So it's got a nice little uptrending trend line here. And actually, let me change that to green to represent support here. So now, just because that's occurred doesn't mean that everything is fine and this thing's going back up to $450. But my point here is, yeah, it was disappointing. The price gapped up and then pulled back. But at least because it did the same exact thing on Friday, right? Came up, went down. Here, came up, came down. But both times that it quote unquote came down, you can see that it's at least getting higher and higher in the low angle of things. So therefore, the price is still, technically speaking, in that little miniature uptrend. So we'll see if the price can continue to hold above that trend line. If it doesn't, then really, in my opinion, at least the main level of support at that point that becomes very, very interesting is right down there around the $420 mark. So again, if that trend line is violated, would not be shocking at all. See the price then, go down there and at minimum retest the 420 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main area that, at least in my opinion, matters most is that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that, we'll just call it right up there around $430.50. So keep an eye on those areas going forward. Like I said, I'm very curious to see moving forward, can the price stay above that trend line? And if it can't, like I said, 420 probably will come into play there. But best news is only Monday, still 4 days left on the week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.